2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, compass, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.